Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a really simple and easy basic Tarka Daal recipe. We'll run through the ingredients quickly and then we'll start cooking. So the ingredients you're going to need are 4 cups of boiling water, which I have in a jug here, 300 grams of Moong Dhal and the following spices, half a teaspoon each of turmeric powder and chilli powder, and then half a tablespoon of the following spices, coriander powder, salt and garam masala. And then for the tarka you're going to need butter, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. I have 2 chillies here which are completely optional, which are sliced finely, and I have 3 cloves of minced garlic here, and we have fresh coriander to garnish. So let's start cooking. So the first thing we're going to do is add our water into the pot we're using to cook with, and then straight in with the lentils. And then just give that a stir. And what you want to do is add the salt in as well at the same time, and the coriander powder and the chilli and turmeric. And just stir that. Now allow that to come to the boil, and then put the lid on and let that simmer until the lentils are cooked, and I'll show you how that looks once that's done. So guys, this is now ready. It's been cooking away for about 40 to 45 minutes roughly, and it's of that consistency of porridge, runny porridge, which I like. I mean, if you want to thicken this up, by all means just let that cook for another 10 to 15 minutes to get it to your preferred consistency, but that's how I like it. And I'm just going to show you. Now all we need to do is prepare the tadka, and then we can plate this up, which I'm going to show you how to do now. In with a nice slab of butter. Turn that down a bit. Then straight in with the cumin seeds. Got a stir. Then the garlic, and the smell is just amazing. And we just want to cook this for a few minutes just to get rid of the rawness, and the garlic turns slightly brown. We don't want to burn it, but we just want the butter to take on that really nice garlicky flavour. And now we're going to add the green chilli straight in like that. And give them a minute or two just to heat through. That's nearly done. Yeah. I'm just going to close the gas, and I'm going to move the pot back here again so you can see, and then straight in just over there like that, and then just use your spoon and put that right in like that. We don't want to waste any of that, so make sure we get all the tadka off. And just gently stir that in. We just want to garnish this now with some fresh coriander, so in with that. And that's my basic Tarka Daal recipe all done and dusted, and I'm going to plate that up and show you exactly how it looks. Oops, I forgot to add the garam masala, guys. So in with the garam masala. And just give that a stir. Oh my god, it smells divine. That's that mixed in thoroughly. So now let me plate this up and tell you exactly how it tastes. So guys, here's the recipe all plated up, and I'm going to try this and let you know exactly how it is. So simple but so tasty. Try some more. Really good. Just put that down. Guys, something so simple and tasty and really easy to make with a few ingredients honestly makes the best dish sometimes. You can team this up with just plain boiled basmati rice or just chapatis. It goes perfectly with both of them. I'm going to leave you with this recipe. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. If you do like it, give it a big thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you've not done that already, and hit that bell button to be notified of any updates. In the meantime, stay safe, enjoy cooking and happy eating.